Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Mohamad Zikrul Akhbar bin Zulkifli. So today we would like to present our project 1 assignment, which is organization. So the business called Mo Ayam Kunyit under Hadisan Resources. So the type of business is sole proprietorships. It's located in Klang, Selangor. The date start of business in July 2020. The capital brought in into the business amounting RM5,000 via cash, and the business activity is food, which is nasi ayam goreng kunyit, daging goreng kunyit, and sotong goreng kunyit. The asset of the business is kitchen equipment amounting RM3,000, stall RM1,000, and the motor vehicle is used existing owner cars. So the cutting machine RM3,000, where the liability for this company is nil and considered none, whereas the revenue is RM360,000 per year, and then we divide it into 12, which is RM30,000 per month. The expenses for this business is wages for 4 person for 2 outlet, which is RM200 per day, and the raw materials RM500 per day, and petrol and gas RM100 per day. The method of the transaction is cash and QR pay, and lastly is the record of transaction using bookkeeping method. So next we will pass to Fitri.
Next, I, Mohamad Fitri, will share about the type of business. So just as mentioned by Zikrul, the type of the business is sole proprietorship, and as we see, this type of business, it is owned by a single person, and the registration is registered under the Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia (SSM), and the capital brought by the owner to start the business is RM5,000, and the ownership is owned by the owner himself, Muhammad Hafiz bin Abdullah, and he manage and control the operation of his business, and the liability is nil, and on the profit or loss, the profit will belong to the owner, and if there is any loss incurred, it will be borne by himself. For the books and accounts, there is no legal obligation to keep the books and prepare accounts. However, Muhammad Hafiz has taken the initiative himself to record the transaction of his business using the bookkeeping method.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Khairuddin Abdullah. So based on the information provided about the Hadisan resource just now, a sole proprietorship engaged in the business, in the food business. This is analysis of the pros and cons of their bookkeeping method for transaction recording, as well as suggestion for improvement. I will go first with the pros of bookkeeping methods. First will be simplicity. The bookkeeping method is very straightforward and easy to implement, especially for small businesses like Hadisan Resource. It allows the owner to maintain records without needing advanced accounting and knowledge. Second will be cost effective, since there is no legal obligation to keep detailed accounts. Using a bookkeeping method minimize costs related to hiring accountants or purchasing any accounting software. And third will be immediate tracking. The owner can quickly record daily transactions, which helps in monitoring cash flows and understanding daily operational performance. And last will be net income identification. The business can calculate net income by subtracting total expenses from total revenue. Given the reported revenue of 360,000 per year and various expenses, this is possible with basic bookkeeping. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Dasuki Norman, and I'm gonna share the cons of the bookkeeping method from the business. The first one is limited financial insight. Basic bookkeeping may not provide comprehensive insight to financial health. For instance, it may be challenging to analyze trend over time or assess profitability by product line without more advanced accounting practices. The second one, risk of errors. Manual entry increase the risk of error in recording transaction, which can lead to inaccurate financial statement and misinformed business decisions. The third one is inadequate reporting. The simplified nature of the bookkeeping might not generate detailed reports that are necessary for strategic planning or obtaining financing from bank or investor. And the last one, lack of compliance. Although there are no legal requirement for detailed accounts, failure to maintain proper record could lead to issue if the business grow or if audit are required in the future. That's all from me.
After hearing about the pros and cons of the bookkeeping method, there are 5 suggestions that we would like to offer to the business owner. The first is implement accounting software. Transitioning to accounting software can automate many aspects of bookkeeping, reduce errors, and provide more robust reporting capabilities. Second, regular financial reviews. Establish a routine for reviewing financial statements monthly or quarterly to assess profitability and identify trends over time. This will help in making informed decisions regarding cost management and pricing strategies. Third, detailed expense tracking. Categorizing expenses such as salaries, raw materials, utilities can provide better insights into where the money is being spent and can help identify areas for cost reduction. And the fourth is training and education. Consider training sessions to the owner or the staff on basic accounting principles to improve understanding and accuracy in financial reporting. And the last one is consulting with professional. Engaging an accountant periodically can help ensure that financial records are accurate and compliant with any regulations that may apply as the business grows. So to conclude, by enhancing their bookkeeping practices with these suggestions, Hadisan Resources can better track its financial health and make informed business decisions that support growth and sustainability.